What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Bentley Bentayga EWB Mulliner that we have right here. Check this out, my dude. Mulliner, the wording right there. So this color is called dark sapphire and it is a very gorgeous looking car. Of course, at night this car looks like black. As you can see, I'm standing at different angles, different shade, makes you feel like it's black, and then suddenly there's blue and the light hits the car and things like that. The gorgeous part about this exact unit is that you get to see the contra happening with all the chrome finishing that is all around the car, from the front to the side to the back, and then the beautiful part is the interior. Now let's start off with the beautiful lights that we have right here. Check the gorgeous finish of these lights, man, dude. I love those cuts that are happening right on the inside right there. Can you see those? You got to be here to see it in person, but it definitely looks absolutely beautiful, man, dude. You see what I mean? The chrome lining that goes across, I mean all around the exterior part of the lights, makes it look even more stunning as well. Now let's take a look at the bottom right here. You do have this bright chrome finish front end of the car. You do get some airflow happening on this side right here. The bottom piece right here also is with this chrome finish that goes across till the other side. Underneath right here you got this satin finish as well. This is a chrome, this is like a satin finish underneath right here, as you can see. Beautiful. You got this number plate holder for you to keep your number plate. As you can see, beautiful Bentayga EWB extended wheelbase Mulliner, and of course Malaysia, Bentley Kuala Lumpur. You got your sensors located on this side. You got your 360 camera right here. Just check out the grille, man, dude. Damn beautiful, man. So down here you have this another bright finish bottom front grille, but the center one here, the top one, is the most gorgeous one among all. Love the grey finishing that's happening on the inside part right here, and you get all this XX kind of like a quilted kind of design, and I love the chrome that's happening right here in the center, man, dude. Absolutely beautiful. And then you have it all over the ring side of the exterior part of the front grille. Whew, beautiful. So you do get your Bentley badging that we have right there. Beautiful wings, amazing. Now the color of this car is called dark sapphire, man, dude. As you can see, it looks like black once again, but amazing tone the minute the light hits the car. Now I love these lines that are happening on the car. Now for the top bonnet, we got one right here. At the side, we got some side finish on this side. It goes all the way to that side. Beautiful touch, beautiful layout, gorgeous car. Now let's move to the wheels, man, dude. Now these are grey painted pocket wheels. Amazing layout. Multi-spoke. Pirelli tires is what they're using. As you can see, P0. Tire size would be 285/40 R22. So gorgeous 22-inch wheels, solid disc brakes at the front. You got your Bentley wording right at the caliper, got your B badge right in the center, Bentley Mulliner wording alongside the whole particular center wheel cap. Amazing finish. Love the wheel arch that's happening right here, also in this blue finish. Amazing. Dark sapphire is what they call it. Now at the side right here, you get this bright finish of a chrome. Love the wording that says Mulliner. I hope I'm saying it right, but it does look absolutely beautiful. Once again, I love this XX stuff that's happening right here, man, dude. Gorgeous. Now, side of the car. Let's start with the bottom first. Again, bright chrome finish, all the way from the front door, all the way to the back, man, dude. Amazing, man, dude. Okay. Top right here, you get your beautiful side mirrors. Because this is a bright finish, it's not the dark package that is on the car, so you do get the mirrors in this particular color. Otherwise this should be black as well. So you have the bright chrome finish that happens across the whole line all the way to the back. Amazing layout. Okay, gorgeous. So let's open up the doors. You get your chrome finish on this side, even the bottom side also as well. Amazing indeed. Open this up, take a look. You got the beautiful welcome light that's happening right here. Amazing indeed. Now for the doors, you got the Beluga interior together with the linen. The linen interior is what they call it. Amazing color. Cambric is what they call it, the Cambric interior. So interior split cambric, so cool, man. So you got Beluga happening all over the place. Love the stitching that's happening right here. Love the gloss black that's happening on this side together with the B badging right there with some chrome happening along the bottom side of the front door. Love the quilted stuff that's happening here. Your ambient lighting is actually integrated into the side. Can you see that? Can you see all these? These are lights. Amazing. So you got your metal finish door handles right here, lock, unlock, window adjustments up and down, door handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You got your compartment storage down here, memory seats, you got 2. Amazing. So you have your sound system speakers right here, Bang and Olufsen. Sound definitely sounds amazing. You do get lights on the inner part of the speakers as well. I'm not sure if you can see it, man, dude. But right now, it's actually lighted up. So cool. You gotta be here to see it in person. Another one would be the gorgeous welcome plate that we have right here. So Mulliner, love the wording that is right here right now. Handcrafted in Crewe, England. Love how plush the carpet actually looks. Love the linings that are on it as well. Now check out the gorgeous electronic seats that we have right here together with all the massage functions that are also available for the rear seats also as well, the mainly. And so look at the beautiful design-like seat finish on this side. Amazing XX finishes happening all over the place. Mulliner wording right here. Love the perforated seats that are over here, including right here. Gorgeous finish. You do get some white interior trimming on this side right here. Beautiful. Compartment storage down here, fantastic. Love the Mulliner wording right there. You also get this chrome finish that's happening alongside the front dashboard of the passenger. This should be your air vent to close it as well. But take a look at the centerpiece right here. You have your beautiful clock on this side. Love it, man. Love the badging. Can you see that? Amazing, dude. Beautiful. Love the gears. Love the cup holders that's happening on this side right here as well. Love the amazing layout and setup for the whole car, man, dude, for the interior. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Got this amazing glass roof right at the top. We will try and get that open in a while more, but nevertheless, let's head down to the rear. So this is a extended wheelbase, so the rear doors are definitely much longer than the front. Can you see? Front door is slightly smaller than the rear. See what I mean? They are a bit longer. Gorgeous indeed. So love the badging that's on the floor side, your welcome light. Check out the rear doors, man, dude. Amazing. So you do have your ambient lighting once again integrated into the doors. All this stitching that's happening right here. Beluga interior is the dark finish of the car, and you do get your reclining of the seats happening on this side. So you got to hold that button and the whole seat just goes forward in a way to make sure that you get the best treatment as possible for a gorgeous finish of a car like this, man, dude. Now, amazing setup, how it just moves and does all sorts of things, man, dude. Amazing, man, dude. You got to be here to see this, guys. You have got to be here to see this. So just check this out, man, dude. Amazing layout. Gorgeous finish. So Mulliner wording right there. You can even pull this down as a so-called table. If the seat was actually back, you can actually use it. If not, if you leave it as it is, just put it back there. Very cool finish. And one more thing that's amazing is that when you press this, the door actually closes. Now I'm going to try just for the shoot, just to show you guys. But this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Love the smell of the leather. At the same time, the bright finish, because you know, I love wearing dark colors, and of course I'm dark skinned. So having a bright interior like this, people can actually see me if I need to be seen. But check this out. This one right here, you got the door close. Check this out, dude. Amazing. So it does close by itself in a way. Very cool. So let's open up the doors once again, and just one slight push and the door already pushes open in a way. So cool, man. Very cool indeed. Check out the center, gorgeous finish. Now let's get right down and show you guys the rest of the car. So we can push back the seats if we wish to, but yeah, so you got to press that, the same button at the bottom, and everything just folds back to where it's supposed to be. You see what I mean? It's just amazing, dude. Now you got to hold the other button right here, and this happens. So it gets back to where it's supposed to be, guys. So seat is currently moving back, and that's amazing, man, dude. Gorgeous finish. So at the bottom right here as well, you do get your other, how to say this, charging connectivities down here. Wireless charging together with your two Type-C connectivities, and also your 12-volt socket for recharge some stuff. So amazing indeed. Air vents right here, electronic adjustable, two cup holders on this side. This right here I believe is to close it, and down here if you open up, you have your other charging capabilities together with your compartment storage down here as well. So very cool setup indeed, man, dude. These ones are the USB Type-C. So cool. Let's close that. Beautiful. So love the Mulliner wording that's happening right on the seats. The stitching also as well. Perforated seats, massage seats, heated and cooling. Love the soft leather pillow for you to rest your head. Once you rest your head on it, definitely you feel like already sleeping, so that's kind of cool. Now for the rear wheels, let's take a look. Tire size 285/40R22. Once again, grey finished wheel, grey painted wheels, multi-spoke, solid disc brakes at the rear. You had your Bentley Mulliner wording right there. Pirelli car tires. On top of that, you also get your gorgeous pocket wheels is what they call it. Amazing layout for the name. And I love how the look of this rear wheel looks like. So moving towards the rear, you get this chrome finish from the front, from the side that goes along the rear and stops right there. And you do get this amazing bright finish of a Bentley badging at the same time, man, dude. For there, love the lights for the rear. At the same time, the chrome that's happening all around it, together with how the effect of the light makes you feel like it's jutting out. Can you see what I mean? It's not towards the body, it's protruding outwards. So at the bottom here, the centerpiece, you got this matte satin kind of finish for the rear, which also does look good. Exhaust tailpipes, you got two on this side. Can you see that? Gorgeously done. And then you got another two on this side. Beautiful as well. So down here, you got this beautiful satin finish of a rear. Reverse camera is on this side as well. Gorgeous indeed. Now the beautiful part about Bentley cars is that when you press this B that we have right here, automatically your rear boot opens up. Now this is a car that is for sale, therefore these items are going with the car, but you do get this shade right here. Of course, it's to protect the viewers from not seeing what's inside, so yeah, cool. You do have some additional so-called storage space down here to store your spare replacement wheel, temporary replacement wheel. So these are collapsible tires. It's not just like any other tire, these are collapsible tires. So they are actually quite flat. Only when you fill them up with the compressor and the gel, the compressor, then it bloats up in a way. So cool. The height of the car, you can lower it down if you wish to. You got some hook over here. Amazing finish of the interior. Love it, man, dude. Gorgeous finish. So let's close this down and take a look once again at the amazing layout of this beautiful car. Gorgeous finish. Let's move right down to the petrol side of things. This is where you charge your, where you fill your petrol. Love the caps, damn solid. Love the finishing, super cold and nice. Let's close that back. Check out the rear of this side. Once again, you do get your welcome lights right here, the Bentley, and your door is fantastic in every way possible. You got your memory seats, you got two memory seats. Now the difference between this side right here, you have no feature to actually push the seat in a reclining position so the seat can go forward, because of course we are the right-hand drive and we don't want to trouble the front person. So this is designed in such a way to make it be as sleek as possible with no leg rest over there. But the legroom is here, is fantastic, man, dude. Okay, seat belts, love it right here. Massaging seat functions all over available, very cool indeed. Sound system once again lighted up, as you can see. Can you see that? There are lights on the inner part right there. Love the Mulliner wording, handcrafted in Crewe, England. Gorgeous. Lock, unlock for the rear doors also at the same time. These metal finishes that's happening here. Now let's move towards the driver's side of things. Take a look of how gorgeous this car looks once again. Amazing doors. You got the unlock and lock metal door finishes for the hands. You got the child lock for the rear doors, left and right. Windows for the front, and also on top of that, side mirror adjustments on this side. The bottom piece right here, memory seats, you got two, opening up of the boot, closing of the boot, compartment storage down here. Love the stitching that's happening with this particular door. Beautiful finish, gloss black, chrome lining, the B badging, the Bentley, amazing indeed. Speakers, Bang & Olufsen, love the wording right there. Once again, Mulliner wording, handcrafted in Crewe, England. You got your beautiful chrome pedals right here, or bright finish pedals. Beautiful finish with the B badging right there. Love the carpets and also the B badging that you can find most likely anywhere and everywhere. Love the white lining that goes across to match the interior as well. Now let's take a seat at the driver's side. We will not want to take this off. Yes, let's have a seat and feel what is it like to sit in a gorgeous car like this. Now, one thing I have to say, the Cambric so-called interior is called color split in Cambric. So we do have the Beluga on the outside and we got the linen on the inside. So amazing layout of what they call it. Love how this car looks. Amazing gear that we have right here. P is on this side, and then you love the B badging right there in the center. You can pull to actually yeah, engage into your gear, drive, reverse, manual, hazard light, parking, and your engine start should be on this side. Your drive mode, you just got to rotate it. Hill descent, speed, traction control. Love the finishing texture that is on this car. You got to be here to feel it. Put your hand on it, you can feel it. But yeah, it is amazing indeed. Underneath here, you got your 2 Type-C sockets to charge some stuff. You got your 12-volt socket also as well. Love the textured finish on the inside. Wireless charging on the downside right here, beautiful as well. Amazing. Love the screen. Once again, the clock is gorgeous, dude. Gorgeous indeed. So let's try to give this car some life so you guys can actually see what we are looking at on here. Beautiful screen. Love the digital display. You got some lightings on this side. Now we will get down to show you guys how amazing the lights actually look. But nevertheless, home, and you're back to where you're supposed to be perhaps. Maybe it's still loading, but nevertheless, we shall let it load. Volume, I believe you can, there we go, tone it down on this side. Yeah, in a while more, you should go back to home. But cool, man. Let's see what we have right here. You got your view, I believe is to control your other different sort of like display screens that you wish to choose. Very cool indeed. Amazing. Wow, nice. So you do have your other settings to choose from on this side. You got your heated steering wheel, you got your volume up, volume down, answering the call and things like that. Love the B badging that's happening right here, the chrome lining around it, even all the chrome lining that's all over the place, dude. And I love these lining right here. This follows the color of the dashboard that we have right here. Very nice. Love the chrome finish right here. Love the stitching, the linen interior. Gorgeous finish, man, dude. Whew. Mirror frameless. You got your glass roof, I believe, to open up the shade. Fantastic layout. Love the finishing of it. Of course, the glass roof, you can actually open this part to bring it slightly up. You got some this side right here. I'm not sure, this is for your lighting for the doors and things like that. Lighting as well. So you do have the bottom piece right here where you swipe and then the light comes on. So very cool indeed. Let's push that back up. And amazing dashboard finish with all the leather finishes interior together with your head-up display. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. It's beautiful. I love the steering wheel color. It's fantastic. So let's get right down, show you guys how the lights look like from the front. Before we turn on the hazard lights to show you guys once again, just check out how gorgeous this looks, man, dude. Amazing physical appearance of this car, man, dude. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic, dude. That's a nice cover shot for the front. Gorgeous lights, dude. Now check it out. Half of it is turned on. The other one, half of it is probably for the high beam. Amazing layout. Now check out the rear so we can admire how the gorgeous rear looks like. See what I mean? Dark sapphire, linen interior with the Beluga. And check out the rear lights. Amazing layout. Love the textured finish. I'm not sure if the camera is actually able to capture what I'm seeing right now because it looks a bit too bright. But if you're here right now, you can see that there are this XX shape right on the inside part of the lights. I really hope you guys can see it, but maybe not. You gotta be here to see this, man, dude. Love the finishing of the rear tail lights for a car like this. Now let's turn on the hazard lights so you guys can see how does the signal light look like. So you do have your signal lights on the side mirror that we have right here. Love the one single dot that's on the inside right there. Very cool. Now you do have the side of every light to be fully lighted up. So instead of you know, just one single piece, the whole thing just goes off and its whole thing just shines into this bright yellow finish. Gorgeous layout. So once again, guys, Bentley Bentayga extended wheelbase Mulliner in dark sapphire. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to find out more about Bentley cars, do head down to their showroom here in Bentley, Kuala Lumpur, where you can locate this car, that car, many more other gorgeous cars hiding all the way around inside the showroom. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.